Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue for lemon pie. First, ensure your egg whites are completely free of any yolk, as even a tiny bit of fat can prevent them from whipping properly. Use a very clean, dry bowl and whisk attachment. Begin whipping the egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy and opaque. This initial step is crucial for building a stable base for your meringue. Once your egg whites are foamy, increase the speed to medium-high. When they reach soft peaks, meaning they hold their shape but the tip curls over, it's time to add the sugar. Gradually sprinkle in about 1/4 cup of superfine granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. This slow addition helps the sugar dissolve and creates a stable, shiny meringue. After your lemon pie filling is hot and ready, carefully spoon the meringue over it. Make sure to spread the meringue all the way to the edges of the crust, sealing it completely to prevent shrinkage. Bake your pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. You're looking for a gorgeous golden brown color and a meringue that feels firm to the touch. Once baked, allow your lemon meringue pie to cool gradually at room temperature for at least 1 hour before refrigerating. This slow cooling helps prevent the meringue from weeping or shrinking. After cooling, refrigerate the pie for a minimum of 4 hours to allow the filling to set completely. Then, it's ready to slice and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.